Welcome back to Handgun. Today we turn our attention to a pivotal piece of firearms, history and engineering, the Gatling gun. Often seen as a bridge between manual rifles and modern automatic weapons, the Gatling gun introduced a novel approach to sustained fire through a multi-barrel, rotary mechanism that changed the face of warfare and influenced generations of automatic weapons to follow. Invented by Dr. Richard J. Gatling in the 1860s, the original Gatling gun used multiple barrels mounted in a circular cluster and a hand crank to rotate them. As the barrels turned, a cam-and-follower system loaded, fired, and ejected cartridges in sequence. This rotating design solved a key problem for early rapid-fire weapons overheating. By spreading shots across several barrels, barrel heating was reduced and sustained. Rates of fire became practical. Without rapid barrel failure, the early designs were fed by gravity-fed magazines or hoppers and typically fired percussion or early metallic cartridges. During the late 19th century, Gatling guns were deployed on ships, fortifications, and in colonial campaigns, valued for their ability to deliver continuous, concentrated fire over a battlefield sector. They were heavy and required crews, but their psychological and tactical impact was undeniable. A shock of sustained fire that traditional muskets could not match. Mechanical simplicity and reliability were hallmarks of Gatling's system. Because each barrel completed its own load-fire extract cycle as it rotated, timing and mechanical synchronization were critical, but the concept itself was elegantly robust. The hand-cranked models were eventually superseded by externally powered variants. In the 20th century, the Gatling concept was reborn with electric or hydraulic-driven rotary cannons such as the M61 Vulcan and similar systems, which use the same multi-barrel rotation principle to achieve extremely high cyclic rates, measured in thousands of rounds per minute. Those modern rotary cannons power aircraft guns and some naval mounts, relying on power sources rather than manual cranks to sustain extraordinary rates of fire. For enthusiasts and historians, the Gatling gun is fascinating not only for its firepower but for its mechanical ingenuity. Cams, linkages, and barrel timing worked together to produce an effect that seemed almost futuristic in Gatling's time. Maintenance always mattered. Reliable feeding, clean chambers, and proper lubrication were essential for uninterrupted operation. In this episode of Handgun, we'll examine the Gatling gun's mechanism in detail, trace its historical deployments, compare early hand-cranked models to modern rotary cannons, and discuss the engineering principles that make the design enduring. Whether you're interested in mechanical design, military history, or the evolution of automatic fire, generations